Introducing the NewAir G7 III Deluxe Garage Heater, an innovative electrical heating system that has stood the test of time as one of the best reviewed and most trusted systems on the market. Ordinary heaters work by burning gas, which can be dangerous and needs to be regularly serviced to avoid the risk of fire, not to mention the added risk of exposure to toxic vapors. The G7 III uses electricity, so there are no flammable materials and it's maintenance-free. The unique grid design and fan-forced heating allows for even distribution of the warm air, and it's equipped with a safety feature that will automatically shut off if the unit gets close to overheating. The G7 III has been one of the best reviewed heaters on the market for nearly a decade. People love that its built-in thermostat keeps the temperature accurate, and people are especially impressed that for such a small size, it has so much power. Whether for your garage, workshop, man cave, or game room, the NewAir G7 III is the time-tested heating system you can trust. Don't let cold weather keep you from your hobbies. Stay warm and content. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir.
Hi, my name's Kyle Jason. I'm a product manager here at Marley Engineered Products. Let's face it, it's not cool to be cold. It causes discomfort and can lead to a lack of productivity. That's why right now is a perfect time to get your hands on one of our downflow unit heaters. This heater is the perfect solution for keeping an industrial environment like a factory or warehouse warm. Or it's very useful in maintaining comfort for a place like a garage or workshop. It comes with a ceiling mount bracket and adjustable louvers to direct airflow to your desired space. It also has a built-in thermostat for adjustable output and an automatic fan delay relay to eliminate cold drafts on startup. This product, as well as all of our other MEP products, come with safety limits and robust elements, ensuring your peace of mind while this product is running.
Stay warm in style with the Mica Thermic Panel Heater from DeLonghi. With 2 heat settings and an adjustable thermostat, this heater makes it easy to customize your comfort. The thermal cutoff and internal tip-over switch provide added safety, while the integrated handle allows for simple transport. DeLonghi panel and convector heaters efficiently heat large rooms while fitting in with your decor. The slim, sleek design takes up minimal floor space, or it can be mounted up and out of the way. Style meets function with the Mica Thermic Panel Heater.